Hello everybody, this is Eugenio from Sanremo Coffee Machine. So today we're going to show you how to see the shot count of your Café Racer. So to see the shot count on group 1, you want to press and hold the middle button, and at the 5-second count you're going to see those settings. You keep holding, as you can see my finger's still on the button, and at about 8 you see clock adjustment. A clock adjustment on group 1, middle button, you scroll to counters. So now that you're at counters, what you need to do is tap the hot water button one time and you enter the counters. So we got the liters, which this will be a countdown, service is a countdown too, please do not touch those, and then you get coffee total. So in my case, we got the 5,870 coffee, not much. To exit this menu, press this again, and it goes back to the normal menu. This is a good information to have for servicing, and you should always look at it after you finish a service. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.